Hi, it's Rachael here from off-road.cc. The much anticipated day has finally arrived. I get to build up my Cotic Rocket frame. Now, this bike's going to be my long-term test bike for off-road.cc. It's going to have a load of different parts on it throughout the year that I'll be testing. To start off with though, I've been stockpiling a collection of kit from various brands that I think makes a pretty solid build. I can't wait to get started, but first let me talk you through the parts that I'm using.
So first up, the frame. This is the new 2018 Rocket with drop-link suspension and long shot geometry. So it's a steel front end bike with an alloy rear and is fitted with a Cane Creek double barrel air inline shock. The suspension at the rear is a tad longer, 157mm rather than 150mm, and the geometry's got longer, lower and slacker. I'm 5'4" and I've gone for a medium bike, which has a reach of 457mm and a wheelbase of 12.26, and it's got a head angle of 64.5 degrees with 160mm forks installed. So onto the forks. Up front there'll be a pair of RockShox Lyrics. As you can see, they're the red version, which means they're the new RC2 with the Charger 2 damper. So it's got external high and low speed compression damping. The drivetrain comes courtesy of Shimano with a full XT build aside from the brakes, which are going to be the uber powerful Shimano 4-pot Saints. I've opted for a 30-tooth chainring with an 11/46 tooth cassette. The bike's going to roll on new Halo Vortex wheels. These have a 33mm internal width, so great for fitting wider tyres, of which I've got a 2.5-inch Maxxis Shorty for the front and be pairing it with something suitably wide at the rear. With a seat tube height of 425mm on the Rocket, it means I can run 150mm dropper post, and so I've got a race face effect post to install. The cockpit is also quite race face orientated, with Next carbon bars cut down to 760mm and a stubby 32mm long Turbine R stem. So that's the main parts of the build. Other than that, I've got some Crank Brothers pedals to put on, some ODI grips and an SQ Lab saddle. It's time to get on with the build. And here's the finished product. I think you'll agree with me when I say that it's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to get out and ride and hit the dirt.